Good day to my dearest employer. My name is Renilyn Saliot. I am 37 years old and also I have 3 kids. Their ages is 16, 14, and 12. I'm working in Saudi for 7 years with one employer. My hobbies is cooking, playing, sometimes I'll sing. My responsibility as worker is cleaning the house, cooking, washing the clothes, taking care of the babies of my employer. I am the breadwinner of my family. If you hired me, I'll promise I'll do my best as your worker. And also, I treat your kids as my own kids. I respect your family with my own family. If you hired me, I'll do my best as your worker. See you soon. God bless and thank you.